We often think of algorithms as these superintelligent, flexible tools. But what if I told you many of them are becoming the most rigid bureaucrats we've ever seen? Stick with me here, because this affects almost every part of our lives. Traditional bureaucracy, the one with endless paperwork, long lines, and strict rules, has a new cousin, algorithmic bureaucracy. These systems do the exact same thing, enforce rules, but they do it silently, instantly, and on a massive scale. Instead of filling out forms, we're being judged by scores, thresholds, and automated decisions. Think about applying for a loan, a job, or even getting your content seen online. An algorithm is likely making the first call. But here's the scary part. Once these systems are set up, human discretion often vanishes. Decisions aren't interpreted by a person anymore. They're just executed by the code. Have you ever tried to appeal an automated decision? It's like talking to a brick wall. Often, your appeal just goes right back into the same cold, logical system that rejected you in the first place. And this isn't some bug in AI. It's actually a feature of how these systems are built. Algorithms work by simplifying our messy, complex world. They take a unique human situation, like yours or mine, and squash it into a neat set of numbers and variables. If a part of your story doesn't fit their model, it's like it never existed. It becomes invisible to the system. Researchers have a name for this phenomenon: rigidity creep. It starts with a desire for efficiency. An organization automates a process to make things faster and reduce risk. But as the system gets bigger, it becomes less and less tolerant of exceptions. What began as a smart shortcut slowly transforms into an unbreakable digital cage. In the past, human judgment acted like a safety valve. A person could look at a unique case and say, okay, the rules say no, but common sense says yes. They could adapt. When algorithms take over that role, the system loses its ability to bend. It becomes a fortress of rules, completely unaware of the real-world consequences. The real irony is how neutral it all feels. There's no grumpy official to argue with, no manager's office to visit. The power isn't held by a person you can see. It's hidden deep inside the code and the metrics. So when a mistake happens, who's to blame? The designers point to the data models. The managers point to the procedures. The company points to its compliance policy. The decision stands, often without anyone being able to fully explain why. So, these algorithmic systems don't get rid of bureaucracy. They just put it on autopilot. And an automated bureaucracy is even more powerful because it doesn't just enforce rules, makes them harder, more absolute. This is why a new system might feel wonderfully efficient at first, but over time it can start to feel deeply unfair, rigid, and impossible to challenge. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as it was designed. It's just that we, the humans, are the ones left dealing with the consequences. What are your thoughts on this? Have you ever had a frustrating experience with an automated system? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, consider subscribing for more content that makes you think. See you in the next one.